Hi and welcome to Beware of the Beam. My name is Joachim and this is the Fenix PD45R ACE. Here is the size comparison between the PD45R and the TK20R version 2. The PD45R is about half a centimeter longer. The head diameter is a little narrower at 3 centimeters. The switches have a quite similar pressure point, but the clicking noise is less on the PD45R. The PD45R has two operating elements, the tail switch and the selector ring. To unlock, the selector ring must be turned to the right. Now the lamp can be turned on by pressing the switch. Tapping will toggle the light modes. I now have two light modes active. And this is also the special feature of this flashlight. I can set the number of light modes to be used from 1 to 6. By turning the selector ring to the set mode, the light now confirms by flashing twice that two light modes are active. I now only want to have one light mode, so I press the switch once. The light confirms with one flash, and now I can use it with only one mode. Let's do it one more time and set it to 4 light modes. 1, 2, 3, 4 presses, 4 flashes as confirmation. I can now toggle 4 light modes. Which light modes are available, however, is fixed. The default setting for only one light mode is the ultra high mode with 1400 lumens. With 2 light modes, the turbo mode with 3200 lumens and additionally the low mode with 100 lumens is available. The lockout function also works when the light is turned on. A long press on the tail switch activates the strobe regardless of whether the lamp is on or off. The USB-C charging port is located under this cover, which can be opened by turning. This is the first Fenix flashlight to use the new 6000 mAh 21700 battery.